Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming which Google account is active and why balance matters. Mismatched accounts are the most common cause. Once done, open Play Store, tap your profile, then Payments and Subscriptions to view saved methods. Make sure your card is valid, billing address matches your bank, and country settings align with your payment profile. These details determine whether Google accepts the balance for the purchase. Now add funds or switch method. Redeem a Google Play gift card or add money to Google Pay so your purchase can clear immediately. If you prefer a card, add it and enter CVV plus exact billing address. Banks block mismatched details. Alternatively, choose PayPal or carrier billing if offered. These bypass a low play balance. Make sure to reselect the newly added payment method at checkout so the store uses the correct source. Finish by selecting the correct payment method and completing the purchase. You will see the total and the payment source on the confirmation screen. If the transaction fails, clear Play Store cache, restart the device, and update the Play Store app, because stale data often blocks charges. If problems persist, note the order ID, retry with a different payment, and contact Google support for a refund or help. Give them the order ID and account email for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.